That way, big guy go get it on Macy Gray. Raindrops, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back, and today I'm gonna show you my peak highlight solves from speedcubing ESYA 2019. So this was a pretty exciting comp. I got an PV single for 3x3 about 10.852 and made it to the 2x2 finals. Pretty unexpected, you know. And the most interesting part was I got some new cheap flagship puzzles which I'll be making a review on soon. But till that time, enjoy my solves.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.